In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Hit Add Contact and tap on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner, hold one of them and drag it until you find the perfect place for it. Then let go, and to save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. To remove one of your contacts, use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!